Hello and welcome to week 11 of Modern World 2, and we're going to continue with totalitarianism. Okay, so this week we're working on checkpoint number 2, and just remember to request the content assessments when you feel prepared. I've already had lots of learners request it. Please keep that up. Okay, so just make sure throughout the day that if you need a content assessment request, I can do so, obviously, if I'm here. Please try to remember that I leave right around 3:30, so if you need a content assessment a little bit later than that, you're probably going to have to wait till the next day. Okay? Essential questions: how did totalitarian leaders contribute to the breakdown of democratic ideals, and how does totalitarianism connect to our world today? Okay, so for checkpoint number 2, this is what you're looking at here. The DBQ document analysis, and then there's resources, democratic ideals presentation goes over them. There's a matching activity to try to make sure you understand the democratic ideals, and there is a list. So this is the list here. So possible tools of totalitarianism, and it goes over that: censorship, police terror, propaganda is a huge one, which I've had some learners already do this. They've talked a lot about propaganda. There's some ideals, justice, different things. You go through it. So you can go through this, and then here's some more here: justice, fairness, equality, pursuit of happiness, life without fear or threat, liberty is for the common good, diversity, truth, popular sovereignty, it's for the rule of the people. People are able to vote. And then you're going to complete your checkpoint number 2 and copy and paste your document into here. Okay, so you're going to be working on reading through some documents and then giving some ideals on, what democratic ideal has been ruined or upset by this document. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can definitely reach out to me. But once you get in, I think it's pretty self-explanatory. Documents are in there. You look at them, and then you kind of talk about, what's happening and what democratic ideals are being broken. Why would we not be okay with this in the United States? Okay, so course breakdown again. We are on the second one here. And we are moving through. You can see the blue line here. And again, just making sure you're watching the launches each week, answering the question, and making sure you're hitting submit. Okay, and again, here's the pace chart. This is what we're working on this week, checkpoint 2, and then next week it will be checkpoint number 3. Okay, and as always, request your content assessments. You see that there are more of them in this one, and there are some, there's an additional one if you so choose to do so, if you have some extra time. Okay, so any questions or concerns, please reach out to me, and if not, you have a wonderful week.